Welcome. Have a seat. I am happy to see you here again learning more about psychology. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now let's start. Biopsychology and evolutionary psychology are two fields within psychology that seek to understand the biological and evolutionary basis of human behavior and cognition. While they may seem unrelated at first glance, these two areas of study are actually closely interconnected and offer valuable insights into the underlying mechanisms that shape our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Biopsychology, also known as physiological psychology or behavioral neuroscience, is a branch of psychology that focuses on the biological and neural processes that underlie behavior and mental processes. This includes the study of the nervous system, hormones, genetics, and other biological factors that influence behavior and cognition. Biopsychologists use a variety of methods to study the brain and behavior, including brain imaging techniques, genetic analyses, and animal models. One of the key goals of biopsychology is to understand the relationship between the brain and behavior. This includes studying the ways in which brain structure and function are related to specific behaviors, as well as how environmental influences, such as stress or drug use, can alter brain function and behavior. Biopsychologists also study the neural basis of mental disorders, such as depression and anxiety, in order to better understand and treat these conditions. Evolutionary psychology is a field that seeks to understand the psychological adaptations that have evolved in humans over the course of our evolutionary history. This includes studying the ways in which our brains and behavior have evolved to help us survive and reproduce in our ancestral environments. Evolutionary psychologists believe that many of the psychological traits that we observe today, such as our ability to form complex social relationships, have evolved because they helped our ancestors survive and reproduce in their environments. One of the key tools that evolutionary psychologists use is the concept of natural selection, which is the process by which traits that are advantageous for survival and reproduction are passed on to future generations. Evolutionary psychologists believe that many of the psychological traits that we observe today, such as our ability to form complex social relationships, have evolved because they helped our ancestors survive and reproduce in their environments. Despite their differences, biopsychology and evolutionary psychology are closely related and often inform each other's research. Biopsychologists may use evolutionary theory to understand the neural basis of psychological traits, while evolutionary psychologists may use techniques from biopsychology, such as brain imaging, to study the evolutionary basis of behavior. Overall, the fields of biopsychology and evolutionary psychology offer important insights into the biological and evolutionary basis of human behavior and cognition. By understanding the underlying mechanisms that shape our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, we can better understand and address a wide range of psychological and behavioral issues. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please don't hesitate to comment and reach out.